Hi, welcome to Discover Dynamo channel. In this video, we tell us some facts about positive thinking. Enjoy for watching. Have you ever wondered if your thoughts could actually affect your health and happiness? Well, the answer is yes. Positive thinking has been shown to have a number of benefits for both your mental and physical health. In this video, I'll teach you about the power of positive thinking and how you can use it to improve your life. First, let's talk about the science of positive thinking. Studies have shown that people who have a positive attitude are more likely to be healthy, happy, and successful. They're also more likely to have stronger immune systems, recover from illness more quickly, and live longer. So, how can you start thinking more positively? Here are a few tips. Pay attention to your thoughts. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts. When you notice yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them and replace them with more positive ones. Focus on the good things in your life. Make a habit of noticing the good things that happen to you, no matter how small they may seem. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can boost your mood and improve your overall well-being. Take some time each day to express gratitude for the things you have. Visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goals and living your best life. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your dreams. Help others. Helping others is a great way to boost your own happiness and well-being. When you do something kind for someone else, it releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Finally, remember that positive thinking is a skill that takes practice. The more you do it, the easier it will become. So don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing and you'll eventually start to see a difference in your life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this fact. Leave your comments to share your facts with us for the next video.